We'll guide you through how to fix no audio device installed in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem and issue when there's no sound, because perhaps you're trying to go and watch something, listen to music, or go and have some type of call, and sound isn't working. So we're going to guide you through the different fixes you can try to go and get this problem resolved, and so you can go and get sound working on Windows 11. Make sure it's a full guide and don't skip anything. And as we're going through different methods you can try doing, and you don't want to go and miss one out, so let's go and dive into this. To get started, press the Windows Start button at the bottom of your computer. Go up and you want to find the option for settings. You can always go and press search at the top and type in settings if you're trying to go and find it. Then in here, you want to come over to the left and find the option for system. And in system, find the option for sound. Now, what you need to do here is make sure you've got the correct output selected. If you've got the wrong output selected, that is why it's not coming through and you can't hear it. If you find that the right one's missing from the list, don't worry, keep watching. So what you want to do is make sure you go and select the right ones that you want to go and use. Then once you've got the correct ones selected here, what you need to do is just go and check the speakers itself or headphones and make sure it hasn't got its own volume control or mute on it in case that's been triggered for some reason, and just make sure there's nothing physical on them themselves. If you still find that it isn't working, next come down. Of course, make sure your volume's turned up and they're not muted at the bottom here as well. Now, if it's still not working or it's not showing up here, what we're going to do is we're going to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for more sound settings at the bottom here, and you'll go and get this pop up. Then you want to come into playback. So if you find that it's missing from the list, make sure that hasn't been disabled. So go through the list, right click on any of these and just press show disabled devices. If you find that it's been disabled, right click on it and press enable, and it should then be showing up in the list. Then once you've got it showing up in the list, you can come up here and select it, and hopefully it's working. If you still find that it isn't, what we're going to do is close out of these settings for now. You want to come and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in device manager. We should go and get suggested, and we can go and click on it. This will then go and open up, and you want to go and find the option for audio inputs and outputs at the top here. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. Find the output you're having the problem with. For me, it's my speakers, Realtek USB audio. Now what you can do here is you can go and right click like so. And first of all, you can try just disabling it. Press yes. And you can then try enabling it again. Often that can go and solve the problem. If it still doesn't, you can go and right click on it and press update driver. You can go and press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list of available drivers. We'll go and select audio endpoint and press next and go and see if that then goes and solves the problem. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, what you want to do is with it selected, you can go and right click on it again and you want to press uninstall device, confirm the decision. And you can then scroll down and you want to find sound, video, and game controllers. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. And just go and check it's not in here again. Realtek can sometimes appear in here. So you can go and right click on it and press uninstall device here as well. Don't select attempt to remove and wait for this to complete. And then what you should do is go and press yes to go and restart your computer. When it goes and restarts, hopefully it's now working. What you may need to do is come back to your sound settings again. Let's do that now. Make sure you've got the correct one selected. And then if it still isn't working, what you can try doing is scrolling down here and doing a troubleshoot with the output devices here. But hopefully now it's working.